Conversation-based learning, because life is not a grammar test. For too long, English education has focused on grammar because grammar is easy to test. Now, conversation is easy to test. This changes everything. We use partners, not grammar. The engine of improvement is a lot of speaking with a lot of partners. Repetition makes them smoother. Better partners make them better. Test partners of similar ability gives fair and accurate testing. Simple. There are 4 components: placement test, conversation book, conversation class, conversation test. The placement test. It takes only 15 minutes to give and grade, and it's more accurate than the 3-hour SAT test. It gives their ability and their first conversation test partners. You can see the 3 students who scored highest will be test partners, and the 3 who scored lowest, and every group in between. Test partners of similar ability make the test fair and accurate. Simple. Conversation book. The book and methodology are the same. Writing for speaking. Write what you will say, talk about what you wrote. Do the book at home, speak in class. Writing before speaking improves accuracy. Speaking to many partners improves fluency. Simple. This is a new century with new technology. Every page has audio. All instructions are on video. They do the book at home. And speak in class. The conversation class. The class is speed dating conversations. A new topic every week, a new partner every 7 minutes. Everybody's speaking half the time, and half the time your partner's a better speaker. Students speak because they did the book at home. Simple. Conversation test. 3 students of similar ability have a 17-minute conversation. They record it with their phone and transcribe just what they said. MS Word gives their ability and their improvement. Simple. They transcribe just what they said, which takes about 2 hours. MS Word gives how many words they spoke. The number function gives how many times they spoke. Dividing total words by how many times gives their average words per utterance. Here's the speaking ability of everyone in class. You can see their ability. Total words is their speaking ability. They are beginning speakers, speaking as fast as they can. It's a communicative test, and MS Word measures precisely how much they communicated, and how many words they spoke on the first test determines their partners for the second test. You can see the 3 students who spoke the most will be partners. The 3 who spoke the least will be partners. Simple. Partners of similar ability make the second test fair and even more accurate. Simple. What about mistakes? They have their transcript. In 5 minutes, they can find and fix their own mistakes. Simple. This is a new world with new technology. Finding mistakes is no longer the teacher's job. Get a hobby. Then they talk some more. Then they have their second conversation test. Results. Here's the data from the first test and the second test. And here's the improvement. Average words increased 80%. Longer speaking is smoother speaking. Total words increased 20%. That means shorter pauses and fewer pauses. That's 50% improvement in 7 weeks. It works because of human nature. What gets tested gets done. And when speaking improves 50%, TOEIC, TOEFL, and IELTS scores improve 20%. All that without one molecule of grammar. Conclusion. It's easy. Students do all the talking. It's accurate. MS Word gives their ability and their improvement. It's human nature. What gets tested gets done. Simple. But is this academic? Yes. Clear, confident speaking is a sign of an educated person.